Hi Freunde, Servus, willkommen zurück zu Life is Strange Episode 5, Part Nummer 2. Schauen wir mal, was uns hier im Flugzeug
I'm still
erwartet.
between realities, and I can't focus on this one for too long.
Es dreht alles so ein bisschen gerade ab,
Almost in
gell?
San Francisco. I'm so stressed, but I'm so excited too. The beginning of the end for Jefferson and the Prescotts.
Kann man nicht mit dem Principal reden? Ah, gut, okay, dann halt nicht.
I have to admit, I love being called an artist.
Cool. Haben wir es wohl geschafft?
It's so weird to be in between realities. Everything is out of focus and in the distance.
Was muss ich jetzt tun, damit es weitergeht?
Aw, I haven't seen Hot Dog Man in forever.
Hot Dog Man.
Chloe and I used to totally play the video game and watch him all the time. When we were innocent.
Please fasten your seat and stow any electronic gear until the plane is on the ground and at the gate. Thank you. We're starting our descent in a few minutes. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco with clear skies and cool 60 degrees. We hope you enjoyed your trip, and we thank you very much for choosing Pacific West Air. Come fly with us anytime.
I don't think so. I'm hoping these airline seats get smaller so I won't have to fly at all anymore.
I bet this is a nice break for Principal Wells. After all the damage control he had to do this week at Blackwell. How did you sleep?
Hope I wasn't snoring out loud, Max.
Just a bit.
It's been a tough week at Blackwell. So I hope you'll forgive me. Between Mr. Jefferson and Prescott's, things have been hectic, to say the least.
I totally get it, Principal Wells.
That's a smart way of telling me to stop whining. We are proud of you for representing Blackwell at the Everyday Heroes contest. I know I'm not exactly the guide you wanted in San Francisco, but we all want you to have a great experience here.
I already am, and we're not even there. Oh, Christ. Another nosebleed? Max, you're not just screwing around with time. San Francisco is so cool, and this gallery is huge.
So is the buffet. If an event skimps on the food, you know it's a bad event.
As long as I don't have to eat any caviar.
This is your day, Max. You can do whatever you want. I hope you take advantage of your status and talk to as many influential people here as possible. Work the room.
I don't know. I feel so weird, like I'm a little kid hanging with the adults.
Max, after this week, you are certainly not a little kid anymore. In fact, you're a noteworthy adult being honored by your peers. Now you have to start acting like the photographer you want to be. Hell, I wanted to be in charge of a big school someday. So I started taking charge of things when I was young. Ask my poor classmates. Max, I'm gonna eat up that caviar so you don't have to. Better get in there and start schmoozing. You know, I won't always be here to take charge. But you come talk to me whenever you want.
Come on, Max. After everything that's happened, this should be the least scary thing you've ever done.
Naja, irgendwie hat aber alles einen sehr komischen Beigeschmack.
You did it. Somehow. I went from the dark room to this gallery. I've been through so many realities in 1 week. Life is weird.
Life is weird. Nicht strange, sondern weird. Weird. Ich will jetzt ehrlich gesagt nicht mit jedem hier reden, weil ich nicht glaube, dass uns das weiterbringt.
How much would you pay for that?
Weil wir können uns mal ein bisschen umschauen und eventuell finden wir ja auch unser Bild. Und zwar genau hier.
Damn, I bet that film cost.
Hey, and there she is to save the day.
Hi. You did it, Max. You're a real artist. At least for today.
Oh oh.
Hey, are you okay? We lost you there for a second.
Your nose.
I'm okay. Jet lag. High altitude. Oh, you left the ringer off, idiot. Oh, come on. Please answer.
Max, holy shit, man, your vision. It's true. You saw the tornado, it's coming.
What? Oh no. Chloe, where are you?
I'm so fucking scared. I'm by the beach. I'm
Chloe!
stuck.
Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Oh my god. The tornado was real. Oh, I didn't fix shit. Chloe will die. Arcadia Bay is gonna be destroyed.
Ja, sobald man
There has to be
irgendwie...
a way to stop this. For good.
Sobald man irgendwie mit der Zeit rumspielt, naja, ihr seht, was dann passiert. Schauen wir mal, ob wir irgendwie es schaffen, wieder zurückzukommen. Ich vermute mal durch unser Foto.
Look at this print. The depth of field, the color.
No fucking way. Chloe can't die again. I have to save her.
I guess everybody is a photographer now.
Schauen wir mal, ob ich... Ja, funktioniert. Guck mal, wie es weitergeht.
Oh shit! Oh, my head. What is going on now? It feels like reality is breaking apart. What am I doing to time? I just have to make one simple change, so I won't end up in San Francisco. Simple. Sorry, San Francisco. Chloe comes first. Oh, fuck. God, no. I'm back here again? I thought I fixed everything.
What did you say, Max?
What? Jefferson should be in jail, not here.
Jesus. It's like you're back in my class. You're still spacing out. It might be cool if you took one of your patented selfies now. The transformation between the old Max and the new Max. Anyway, answer my question, please.
Eat shit and die.
Good answer. Good answer. Hey, your nose is bleeding. Probably gave you too big a dose. Sorry about that, Max. But considering you're about to die, a nosebleed is a first world problem. Oh, I had to let Victoria Chase go.
You let her?
Don't be stupid, okay? She's exactly where she deserves to be.
No.
Oh, as if you care. Your iris, that dilation like a shutter. The pictures you're taking of me now. Too bad you pissed away your gift. You could have won the contest, but you destroyed your own beautiful photograph. What a waste. Sorry, I burned all your stuff. I got a little carried away.
Fuck. He burned my diary.
Always.
That's why I'm still here.
Especially since you've developed from nerd to hero within a week. There's something weird going on with you. Whoa. Did you see how crazy it is outside? Like I said, something weird. There's that fear. Oh, Max, it's an honor working with you on these final sessions. I hope these images will be appreciated for what they truly capture. The loss of youth. At least, that's the last lecture you'll ever have to hear from me. And I promise you, no more nosebleeds.
Mr. Jefferson, please, don't do this. You don't know what's happening.
Shh, 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 shh. Quiet. Quiet, Max.
Please, don't do this.
Alles oder nichts.
This final dose won't hurt. What?
Scheiße.
No, David, no!
Jesus. David Madsen. He's out cold. Good. I always hated that fascist fuck. Everybody at Blackwell did, right, Max? Okay. Let's try this one last time.
Oh je. Dann spulen wir gleich zurück. Versuchen ihn zu warnen. Gucken, wie gut wir vorankommen.
I promise. This final dose won't hurt. What?
David, watch out!
Time to shut the fuck up, okay?
Oh Mann, sorry, aber die Reaktion war geil. Das war zu spät.
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that? Gee.
Scheiße.
Jeez.
Wo muss ich hin? Was muss ich machen? Das war nix.
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that?
Was kann ich machen? Was kann
Jesus.
ich machen?
David!
Muss ich noch ein Stückchen früher warten?
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that?
Oder ein bisschen später.
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that?
What the fuck? Was ist denn, wenn ich ganz zurückgehe?
Bless you. No more nosebleeds.
Wait, hold on. Can I please ask you for one last request?
Oh, you got me, Max. How can I deny that face?
Kranke Drecksau, ey.
Would you take one last picture of me? I want to be your best subject.
I almost don't believe that, but I think you've finally learned from me.
Toll, das war für die Trophäe. Das bringt mir wahrscheinlich nichts. Ich habe gedacht, er benutzt dann das Stativ halt. Eventuell hilft's, wenn ich das Licht ausmache.
And would you mind turning off the lights? They make me squint, so I won't look good for the shot.
Now, you're thinking like a real photographer. And I don't want your last memory to be bad lighting.
Ich glaube, das war's aber auch nicht.
I promise. This final dose won't hurt. What?
David, watch out!
Time to shut the fuck up, okay?
Scheiße. Time to shut the fuck up, okay?
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that?
Das bringt nichts. Ey, weiter ab. Schneller.
And I promise you.
Dann eventuell Musik.
Could you please at least play some music so I can drift away?
Even at the end, you're still a dreamer, Max. That's a nice trait.
Yeah.
Now I'm a little bit crazy, out of my mind. I'm going slightly strange in the head. It's all a little bit hazy, but I'm pretty sure.
Ach, der hört ihn jetzt gar nicht, oder?
And I'm a little bit cuckoo gaga.
Hold it! What?
Barking.
Hold it!
Barking. A little bit hazy, but I'm pretty sure.
Gut, dann brauche ich wohl Wasser. Ich nehme an, ich muss die Reihenfolge richtig hinkriegen. Zuerst Wasser, dann Musik, sonst was. Wasser.
Excuse me, but my throat is scratchy. Can I please have some water?
Of course. I don't want you to be uncomfortable. I promise. This final dose won't hurt. What?
Kann ich jetzt was machen?
David, watch out!
How? How did you know that?
Jetzt, jawohl.
No gun. No balls.
Jefferson, it's over. You are not going to stop me. What going to stop me?
He's hiding a gun over there!
Stop me. It's over.
Oh, Lord, Max. Are you okay? Are you all right? Can you move?
Yes. Thank you, David. Thank you.
Don't thank me. You brought me here. Let's wrap up this son of a bitch first. He won't be going anywhere when he wakes up. Except you are going to prison forever. Or worse.
Mr. Jefferson, now it's your turn to be captured in a moment. Save Chloe.
He burned everything, including all of my photos. Warren! Yes! I can use that picture he took of us.
Shit, no signal. Thanks, Mr. Jefferson, but you won't need this anymore.
Na, endlich.
Max, I'm sorry you had to be here.
I better go outside and call Warren. Oh, please answer.
David? Are you okay?
Look at this place. It feels like hell.
Jefferson was going to kill me. Like he did to Victoria Chase.
Oh, no. I always suspected that son of a bitch.
I never did. Until too late.
You shouldn't have to suspect your teacher.
He wasn't a real teacher. He just wanted to lecture. It was part of his sick plans.
I wasn't surprised when you accused Nathan of drugging Kate Marsh. I thought so too. And Max, I treated Kate like shit. I know she's a good person, but I'm not. I hope I get to tell her that soon.
Me too. I think that would make her very happy.
I knew Nathan Prescott was a threat. I just waited too long to neutralize him.
Jefferson already did. They had some weird father-son thing going on. But Nathan killed Rachel, and Jefferson had to use him as a scapegoat.
That pervert was pulling all this shit right under my nose, too. I could have stopped him and Nathan if only I wasn't so stupid.
No. I told Principal Wells Nathan had a gun and almost used it. But he didn't want to believe me. I should have been more loud.
We all make decisions we regret. But I have to admit, I'm impressed by you. And Chloe. And your investigation. I had all the high-tech toys, well, you had each other.
We are a great team.
That's one of my problems. I'm not good at teamwork. Never was. Even in the service.
I can't even imagine what you went through.
I'm not gonna make any excuses for my behavior. I tried to be a good soldier, but I wasn't so great. I tried to be a good father, too, but when Joyce kicked me out, I had nothing.
I'm so sorry about that. I didn't want that to happen.
I should never have set up those surveillance cams. Or kept all those files.
I'm going to tell Joyce I was wrong about you. She does love you. It's pretty obvious.
I try not to use my service as an excuse, but it's hard to come home after war. Most people don't know or care what it's like. Except Joyce. She gave me hope. A new life.
And you saved mine. Chloe, she would be proud of you.
I just want to see her safe with her mother. I promised Joyce I would go see a family counselor. I'll start by apologizing to Chloe. I don't expect her to call me Dad, but maybe she'll stop calling me step douche. So, where is Chloe?
David, Chloe is dead.
This isn't happening. It can't. No, God. Not Chloe. Max, are you sure? Are you...
Yes, I saw her. I saw Jefferson kill her in the junkyard. Last night.
Last night? When I was feeling sorry for myself in my hotel room? I promised Joyce that I would protect her and Chloe. How can I face her and explain this? I never even told Chloe that I... God damn it!
You killed my wife's child, you sick fucker! And you took away my stepdaughter?
David, wait!
Max, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to see that. What a mess. What have I done? All that time I wasted with surveillance. Chloe, I'm sorry. Joyce, I failed you. My family.
You didn't fail. You did your best.
Max, you better get outside. You've seen enough of this room.
David, thank you for saving me.
Der versaut sich sein ganzes Leben, wenn er den erschießt. Das ist jetzt das erste Mal, dass ich eine schwere Entscheidung zurückdrehe, aber das will ich so nicht stehen lassen. Besser er weiß es erstmal nicht.
So, where is Chloe?
Na also.
David, she was pretty stressed out, so she went to go medicate before I ended up in here. So, she's okay.
Oh, thank God. For once I'm happy Chloe's a stoner.
David, I have to go outside and get some real air and use my phone.
Of course. Go on, Max. You're a brave soldier. I'm glad Chloe has a best friend like you. Go on now. You've seen enough of this room. Okay, teacher. Let's see what kind of photo evidence you shit all over this computer.
I could have told David the truth. He deserves it.
You're fucked, Jefferson.
Nee, dann dreht er durch. Geh mal raus.
Freedom. Holy shit. This storm is real. I need to find Warren. Yes! Warren, can you hear me? Never mind. Listen, do you have that photo you took last night in the parking lot?
Yeah, but why? It wasn't that great a shot.
Yes, it is, and I want it. Where are you?
I'm at the Two Whales Diner. Pretty much trapped in here with Joyce thinks this Armageddon weather. I'm expecting the ocean to turn red.
I'm on my way.
Come on, that's crazy. You can barely walk on the sidewalk outside. Seriously, Max, stay wherever you are. I don't think the storm's getting smaller. I'm kinda scared.
That's okay. Me too. But it's not over yet, Warren. So hold on.
Okay, ich habe jetzt kurz hier pausiert, weil wir müssen den Part an der Stelle beenden. Ob wir es schaffen, zu Warren zu kommen und wie es weitergeht, sehen wir im nächsten Part. Ich bedanke mich ganz herzlich bei allen Zuschauern und hoffe, wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal wieder. Ciao!